Dang, I feel like I'm at a baby shower. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Lynn, and as you can tell by the title and that box back there, I am going to be doing a black owned product haul. Now a lot of these products I had to buy again, and some of these products are new products that I'm trying out and a new brand that I'm trying out. So let's get into it. All right, so I gathered all my products that are black owned, put them in a box, and we finna check them out. Okay, I put it in one of my leftover Amazon boxes. All right, so I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. Do I want to just, or I'm just gonna pick up the first thing I see? Okay, so the first thing I got was from Amanda Seals. I did decide to check out her merch. She has a lot of nice art, a lot of nice, like just the designs that she has for her t-shirts, her, what else should she have, hoodies, all that stuff. Just the designs are nice. So this is one shirt that I got, and I got this for my daughter. Okay, so it says Fly Fam. As you can see, has nice little art on it. Nice little t-shirt, cute t-shirt. Dang, I feel like I'm at a baby shower when I'm showing this stuff off. Sorry, I'm gonna put that to the side. The next thing I got was some waist beads. Okay, I got this from Nubian Jewelry LLC. I got some waist beads, nice beautiful colors. And you get 2 of them, so they're nice for the price or whatnot. I'm gonna make sure I include like just a more closer look. As you can see, you can't really tell. From the Honey Pot, so check them out. They just restocked, ladies. And yeah, so the next thing that I got was from the Doux. I bought from them. So I got not just 1, not just 2, not just 3, not just 4, 5. Oh snap, this is a lot of stuff. And I have one more product of theirs that's supposed to be coming in the mail. But yeah, I kind of tried this brand out, and as you can see, I really do like it. I really like their mousse. Listen, all my natural girls, this mousse is the truth. Like for twist outs, braid outs, it's very light. And it smells good. Like I'm smelling it all in the box. And this is the only edge control currently that is working for me. I finally was able to pick some of it up because people be buying stuff. Like ever since quarantine, everything's been so much out of stock, and it's like so whenever I'm able to catch something, I try to get as much as I can before they sell out again. Especially since a lot of these third-party websites, listen, they'll be sending you the wrong stuff. So I have an edge control. I have the mousse. I have this twist and curl cream. And I have a leave-in conditioner. So far I've tried the twist and curl and the mousse and the edge control. I have one more product coming from them as well. Another product that I've got was, I got this from Etsy. It's from Skin Co. And that's another thing I like about a lot of these black owned brand products, is that they come in some very nice packaging. And this is it's a body scrub. So this is a citrus burst body scrub. It has turmeric, lemon, and grapefruit. I can't wait to try this out because I've been hearing about, look at that yellow. So I've been hearing about the turmeric being good for your skin and whatnot. Ooh, snap. It smells real nice. You see. So yeah, this is Skin Co. off of Etsy. Packaging is really nice. Ooh, and it's a body scrub. Another thing I got is a mask, of course, and as you can see, this one is pretty small because it's for my child, but I got this off of Etsy as well. I have to get the person's information and I definitely will insert it, but I got a little mask and whatnot. It's so cute. It's African print. It's very beautiful. Yeah, that's a mask. Okay, so another thing that I got from Amanda Seals, I got a pin, her Smart, Funny, and Black pin. So, you know, put on my little jean jacket. Ooh, look at nice in this. So put it on my little jean jacket with the rest of my pins.
I'm finished.
I had got this from the Bad Mouth Bruja. I'm gonna call it Bad Mouth. I had got this hoop earring pin and I got this complimentary pin from the brand as well. So these are very nice. You know, just add some, get cute. You know, when all of this is done, everybody's gonna be popping out looking so nice from all the nice stuff that they got. You know, me showing off this video, somebody might be like, ooh, I like that. I'm gonna watch some videos, I'm gonna be like, ooh, I like that. Let me go check out that website. Another thing I got is a Carnival pen. Listen, I'm trying to find more Caribbean owned businesses with like original products or whatnot, because I want to support my people like all over the diaspora. So this one is for the West Indian Culture Collections label pen, and this is from JIJI. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Designs Papery. They're on Etsy. I got this from Etsy. I've been on Etsy more lately, so I got this from Etsy. It's a Carnival Queen pen, and it looks so pretty. Like, I missed Carnival this year because of you know who, so it's nice to get a reminder of that, you know. Another thing I got, I'm getting close to the end. Dang. To be honest, I be seeing so many nice products and I really have to like budget myself, because it's like I'm always online shopping, but now it's like it's even worse now because I'm doing it to be like, oh, I want to try this out. Oh, I want to try this out. I literally bought stuff just like to do videos in the future with, so I'm trying to chill out and whatnot. But one thing I got in this pretty pink packaging. This is my first haul, so I don't know if I'm doing it right or not. So one thing I got in this pretty packaging, I got some bonnets. This is from Scotch Bonnets by Dani. I got a bonnet for me. I got a bonnet for my daughter. And it came with this complimentary hair oil. Oh shoot. I didn't even open it yet. Oh my goodness. Look, unboxed with, let's unbox with me. So this is the packaging. All right, so it came with a complimentary hair oil. Scotch Bonnet and Taliah Waajid, they had a collaboration, and I was like, ooh, I definitely got to get on this. And it's so funny because I recently bought from Taliah Waajid recently. So it came with this oil with these bonnets. It's the green apple, the little green apple collection. This is my first time trying out the bonnets by Dani, and it's my first time trying out this oil as well. And you know what's so funny? These bonnets smell like green apples. So I'm gonna show you one of them. Okay. It smells nice. And all these came with cards as well. She says do not use grease or it's gonna leave stains, so noted. This smells so nice. So this is the bonnet, and you can flip it inside out if you feel like being cute, a little bit different. So this is the bonnet. It's real nice. She got her tag on it and everything. And I got one for me and my daughter, so we could be, you know, well, I'm not gonna, I gotta wash it first before I put it on because that's just how I am. The last thing I bought right here, like I said, I've been sleeping on Taliah Waajid's products for so long. Like, I go to the natural hair shows and pop-ups every time they have one, and I just be sleeping on their products, and come to find out their products is what my hair needed this whole time. I feel so bad, but I decided to, I like their apple and aloe line. So this is my second jar of this. This is my second time getting this jar, and this is my first time with a full jar of this. I've tried the samples. That's another reason why I like Taliah Waajid, because they give out samples, and most of these brands don't give out samples. So it's like, how am I gonna know your product worked for me if I don't know if your product works for me? So like I said, I've been sleeping on Taliah Waajid. I tried their samples out, especially the apple and aloe. My hair loves it. Currently my hair has a whole nother product in it. I think I need to wash my hair, but my hair loves it. My daughter's hair loves it. I use their Hold Me Down gel as a styling gel for everything. That's why I'm on my second jar of both of those products. So I got the curl definer. This is a very thick curl cream. Ooh, as you can see, yeah, very thick curl cream. You see that thing ain't budgeting at all. Then I have the curl elixir, which as you can see is a little bit more loose type of thing, instant moisture. And I have their Hold Me Down gel, which is a thicker gel. So this is like, I would say this is like a cream mixed with a gel, and then that's just the cream. What's this in my hand? Ouch. cream mixed with the gel. But that is my product haul. Those are all the products that I've tried. I'm gonna make sure I insert all the names, of course, because that would be hating of me not to insert the names of some of these products, because you probably seen something and you were like, ooh, let me go check that website out. So I'll make sure to insert all the names, all their ads, insert their ads, or mostly their websites. No, I'll make sure I insert their names in the description as well. But that was my first little product haul. Like, it went by smooth though. Like, I'm thinking there's so much more I have to add into that. But thank you for watching. You know, I'm trying out different things on my channel. I like this shirt. I'm trying out different things. So if you like that haul, and if you want me to do another haul, well, I probably will do another haul like with my camera stuff. But I be using my camera stuff, so it's kind of hard. But I will be doing another haul. I'm just going to try to decide what I want it to be. But thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.